Choosing the right email marketing tool can feel overwhelming.
Today, we'll compare Mailblaze and Moosend, dissecting their features, pricing, and user experience to help you pick the winner. Mailblaze focuses on core email marketing functionalities like list management, email creation, and basic automation.
Moosend offers a wider range of tools, including landing pages, marketing automation workflows, and transactional emails, along with the standard email marketing features. Mailblaze offers a free trial with limited features and paid plans starting at a competitive rate. Moosend also has a free trial with limitations, but its paid plans might be slightly more expensive depending on your needs. My likes of Mailblaze: the interface is clean and straightforward, making it beginner-friendly. Affordable pricing is a plus for those on a tight budget. My dislikes of Mailblaze: lacks advanced features found in Moosend, which might limit your email marketing capabilities as you grow. My likes of Moosend: offers a powerful feature set that caters to both beginners and experienced users. The user interface is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Amazing value for the price, especially considering the features included.
Personally, I like Moosend because of its powerful features, beautiful user interface, and super affordable prices, which makes it a really good email marketing platform for both beginners and seasoned experts. Choose Mailblaze if you're a complete beginner on a tight budget and prioritize a simple interface over advanced features. Choose Moosend if you want a powerful platform with a wider range of tools for building effective email marketing campaigns. You value a visually appealing interface and good value for money.
Are you ready to try them out? Don't forget to use the link in the description to try Mailblaze and Moosend for free.